planets. And what we find out there in the galaxy, we bring here. So where a stormtrooper might come through and just see a bunch of worthless clutter, those who know, all of us, we see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past very well may be the key to ensuring our future. Now, do you know the legend of Luke Skywalker?
Yes.
Excellent! Well, we hear that there's a new Jedi out there forging her own path in the galaxy. A scrapper like us. What's her name?
Ray.
Right, exactly right. And what Ray is leading is the spark of hope that we have all been waiting for. And it has led all of you here today to look ahead and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The lightsaber is a reflection of its builder with the force flowing between them. And today, all of you are going to feel that connection. So, let's get started. And we begin with perhaps the most important component of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal. The crystal is able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say that the crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal will determine the color of the blade. Colors like blue. The blue kyber crystal has been wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and of course, Luke Skywalker. Well, the violet crystal, now this one is rare and beautiful, just like the one wielded by Mace Windu. And red. Red is said to be the color of power. This is the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But all of these are just stories of the past, and we are all here for you, our future. Now is the time for the three of you to choose your own kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Builders, please close your eyes. In your mind, I want you to picture your kyber crystal. What color is calling out to you? And remember, it is equally as likely that this crystal is choosing you. Now, open your eyes and take your kyber crystal. The pressure. Well done. You selected your own kyber crystal. Now take them and carefully, you've done it already, place it on the crystal plates. Well done, good instincts. Now that you've done that, we can join it with the saber design components all of you have selected. We now move on to the hilt. The hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber. The hilt is your center of control. The hilt's primary function will be to keep your hands from being disintegrated. A very important component. Gatherers have placed your saber design kits on your stations. Inside these kits, you will find everything that you will need. It might not look like much now, but I assure you it will be much, much more. Inside, however, we will begin on the left with the chassis. Then we'll move to the right to the activation plates, then back to the grips, then the emitters, and finally the pommel caps. Now, before we begin, remember that building your lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as all of you have selected your own kyber crystal, all of you are now going to build your own unique lightsaber. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask the gatherer in front of you. And now, let's build! It calls, exactly. Well done, three of you. You have completed your hilt. And now it is time for us to move on. And this next part of the process is the most dangerous. So please, leave your hilts on your stations and take a big step back. It's now time to stabilize the crystals for activation. Gatherers are placing your hilts into the crystal stabilization chamber. This part is tricky and volatile, as I had mentioned. If anything goes awry or this. And if things like the emitter on top becomes inverted, it can cause quite explosive results that we've seen here in the workshop already.
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined, you will be. It is time.
Master Yoda. Yes. Indeed, it is time to take that next step. The final step of the process. In just a moment, all of you are going to step forward. You will then place your hand on your hilt, and on my signal, we will all activate together. Builders, it is time to forge that bond. Now step forward. Place your hand on your hilt, and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built your lightsabers like the Jedi and Sith who have come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Well done, builders. Now, for just a moment, as all of you are doing, please deactivate your lightsabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Now, your destiny you seek, your own path. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Now, builders, in your hands, the three of you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, as you depart, you will receive a saber sheath to protect your lightsaber. Now, our time here has come to an end. But all of your journeys, they are just beginning. It is time to make your mark on the galaxy, and remember that you are all just as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsabers you have built here today. And who knows, maybe next time we'll be telling your story. Now raise your sabers once more. And congratulations, builders. Now go make your mark on the galaxy. Till the spire.
Till the spire.